Hello everyone, let's solve another question. In this question, we have to prove that this matrix is equal to this matrix. Okay, so how will we do that? Well, we need to find out these terms which is given over here. Okay, so basically ax cap dot a rho cap, as we had seen in the previous video, that it's equal to the cos of the angle between them because their magnitudes are 1. Okay, so what is the angle between them? For that, let me draw a two-dimensional structure. Two-dimensional structure because rho is basically, we define it from x-axis, and even phi also we define it from x-axis. So if I use two-dimensional structure, then it will be very convenient to show you. Okay, you can consider the floor of your room or anything like that, and z-axis is above it, out of the paper. Okay, so suppose I have to draw phi, then I obviously have to start moving from x-axis, and then this is suppose my phi and this is my rho. So what is a phi cap and what is a rho cap's direction? Well, as we had seen earlier, let me draw an arc over here. So a phi cap is basically the tangent to at this point. Okay, so this is my a phi cap. Let me draw it in this color. Okay, and what is a rho cap? It will be in this direction itself, and they are mutually perpendicular. Okay, suppose I just extend it backwards. Okay, then this angle is 90 degrees. Okay, so if I see this triangle consisting of the origin, this point and this point, then I'll say the angle over here will be 90 plus phi because of external angle. This is 90 degrees, this is phi, so this will be 90 plus phi. Okay, and this is my ax cap. Okay, so if I have to say what is the angle between ax cap, my ax cap and my a rho cap, this is pretty straightforward. The angle between them is phi. So there's no doubt in this. The next, between ax cap and between a phi cap, the angle will be cos of the angle between them. That is over here you can see this is one sec. This angle between them is 90 plus phi. So I'll write over here 90 plus phi. Then next, between a y cap and a rho cap, as I can see over here, the angle between them will be 90 minus phi. Okay, cos of 90 minus phi. This is pretty straightforward. This is sin phi. Okay, and what is the angle between a phi cap and a y cap? So if I just extrapolate it outwards, and this is like this. This is my a phi cap and this is my a y cap. So what is the angle between them? So as you can see, this is 90 degrees. This is 90 minus phi. So this is obviously phi, and hence this is also phi. So basically the angle between a y cap dot a phi cap, I'll get cos of phi. Okay, and what about z? The relation between a z cap and a rho cap will be cos of 90 degrees because they are all mutually perpendicular. Rho, phi and z, they are all mutually perpendicular. So az dot a phi cap will also be cos 90 degrees and both are 0. Okay, and what about its what about ax cap dot az cap? Again, this is cos 90 degrees, 0. Ay cap dot az cap, that is again 0. Okay, and az, this term az dot az, cos of 0, that is 1. So this one will be 1. Okay, cos 0. So I can just place it. So it's also pretty straightforward. It's the same as the previous question. If you have seen that, then okay, then let me see over here. What can I write? Just a sec. Yeah. What can I write over here? This is ax dot a rho. So ax dot a rho is cos phi. I'll write over here cos phi first. Then next is what? Ax dot a phi. Ax dot a phi is, this is cos of 90 plus phi, that means minus sine phi. Okay, that is minus sine phi. Then next is ax dot az, this is 0. Ay dot az, 0. This one is the 1. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 1. Then next over here also, this baseline also, if I see, this is again 0. This is again 0 because they are mutually perpendicular. So there is no doubt about this. Then next, ay dot arrow. Ay dot arrow is, this I had taken out over here. That's sine phi. Okay, the angle will be sine phi. And next is ay dot a phi, that is, we took out over here cos of phi. Okay, cos of phi. Okay, these all should be clear. These are basics and it should be clear. Okay, thank you.